Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back, you guys. I have a little bit of explaining to do. I, of course, don't have to share this, but I feel like I really want to because I want to raise awareness. If you want to know what in the world I am talking about, stick around. Plus, I have a whole table here full of this and that, a lot of goodies that I have ordered, most of it from Amazon, and I'm going to share that with you as well. All right, so where have I been? I mean, I just missed one video, but you guys, I really do love coming up here and filming and sharing my life with you guys. But, you know, life is a roller coaster. Keith had a health scare. Every maybe 3-4 years he gets the Cologuard test and it came back abnormal. So because of that, he was scheduled for a colonoscopy, and it was his very first colonoscopy. He's 59, and I think they've raised the age, especially if your family, if your genetics has like cancer or colon cancer in your family history, and he does. They did the colonoscopy, and I don't know, both of us had a little feeling maybe something was going on. And so the doctor came out and told me that yes, he found cancer, and he removed 2 polyps during the colonoscopy, and that they had to send all of this off for pathology. Well, of course, that just sent us, you know, into... Actually, at first, we were kind of in shock. We're like, no way. I mean, that's just like your first reaction. And I told Keith, I said, from all my years of nursing, I said, honestly, it is a educated guess because he has seen it so many times. And this doctor has been in practice 25 years. I used to work with him. He's an excellent doctor. But I told him, I said, just, you know, me as a nurse, when I look in somebody's throat, I can tell if it's strep just from, you know, experience. But I said, but it's not 100% that it's cancer until the biopsy comes back. So yesterday we got the news that the biopsy came back. I've prayed a lot. My family's prayed a lot. I guess after the shock wore off, we both kind of went into a panic. We were just really concerned and worried. So today we went in to see the doctor and we got good news, you guys. Thank God. He said that it was dysplasia, and dysplasia is not cancer, but it's pre-cancer, and it's just cells that go crazy. Because he told me right after the colonoscopy, and I really wish he wouldn't have done that. That's what a lot of people have said. He shouldn't have told you that unless he was 100%, and I think he really felt like he was. It was the size of a cutie. You know, the little cutie oranges. So it's a pretty good size, and it's right where the colon and the rectum meets. So it's right there at the opening, and it's covering about 75% of that area. We have pictures and just a bit of an opening. So anyway, today he said it has to come out, and he said, and what I want to do, I want to send you to Birmingham. And instead of doing the surgery myself, he wants to do the robotic surgery. And you guys, that's amazing. It's amazing. It's more accurate. It's cleaner. It cuts cleaner. And he said they are among some of the best in the United States to do this. He knows several of those doctors that he has worked with in the past and trained with. So where are we now? We are waiting for Birmingham to get in touch with us, make an appointment for a consultation, and probably within the next 2 weeks, Keith will be having surgery to remove the mass. You guys, thank God it's not cancer. So it was an answered prayer, you guys. We are so relieved. Yes, he's going to have to go through this surgery. And the reason I wanted to share this with you guys is because I feel like, you know, colorectal screening may be something that a lot of people overlook. I've never had a colonoscopy. I've done the Cologuard once 4 years ago, and that's another thing. Keith had one done 4 years ago and it was normal. So then he had this one done and it came back abnormal. Please guys, if you are over 50, or if you have a family history, a genetics history of you know, colorectal cancer in your family, get checked. I didn't want to keep it from you guys, and I did want to share this because I feel like he's going to be okay, you know, and I'm so thankful. But you guys, if you haven't had a Cologuard screening, please do that. That's the first step. So I just wanted to bring awareness to you guys because I'm very health conscious, and when this happened to Keith, you guys, it just threw us for a loop. So you guys, I just want you to take care of yourselves and do what you need to do to stay healthy. All right, guys, so let's get started. All right, no more of that stuff. But I did want to use this story to raise awareness to all of you. All right, guys, now you remember when I ordered these bracelets and they were too big? I thought, they looked really stretched out. I really feel like the ones that I ordered were used because they weren't all the same size. So I thought, I'm going to take a chance and order another set. Now this is a rose gold set. I couldn't find the tri-colors, like the silver, the gold, and the rose gold. So I ordered this one, and I think it is smaller. So let's go ahead and check this out. I will link this below. And like I said, I do have very, very tiny wrist, tiny hands. It may not look like it, but I do. You guys, my ring finger on this, my wedding rings, are a size 4.5. So I have tiny little wrist, tiny little hands. So nothing else is tiny on me, but I wanted to try this again. All right, so here we go. It's the Etika brand. They have a lot of really pretty jewelry, and I just love these bracelets, you guys. These are big this year. These little stretchy bracelets. There's lots of other brands that make these bracelets, and I have ordered another set, but it's 2 bracelets together, and it's like a gold and a silver, and it's kind of like that, kind of like an X. So I ordered those from a different brand. But you guys, I wanted these so bad. And although they are kind of big on me, it's nothing like the other set. You see? Because I looked at them when I boxed them back up, and I could tell that they were different sizes. And even on this one, I feel like this one is smaller than that one. I don't know, you guys, but I just wanted them so bad. I reordered, and see, they're not near as loose. So I'm going to enjoy wearing these this summer. They're very lightweight, and see, they just make a little bit of a sound. Like when bracelets cling together, that does get on my nerves, but this doesn't, and they're just so pretty. Yeah, so you can wear them alone. You can stack them with other bracelets. This is one that a nurse at the hospital gave me. It says, God is bigger, when we got the bad news about Keith, or we thought it was bad news. So I've been wearing that. I wore it for support today. But you guys, look. I'm going to link these below, and this is the rose gold. So this, I think, would fit anybody with a average size wrist, but mine is very small. But this works. So I'm so happy that I took another chance. I don't take no for an answer very well, you guys. But yeah, when I looked at them, there was one of them that was really stretched out, and I thought, I don't know if they're just made different like that, but I did take another chance, and I'm really glad that I did. So I'll have these linked below, and the other set that I've ordered. All right, so I'll move along. But yeah, I feel like these are like the bracelets of the season because I'm seeing them everywhere. All right, guys, so I also got this, and I think this is really cool. They are silicone makeup brush holders for like traveling. So I have like a pouch that I use that I put my makeup brushes in, and I used to have a Coach makeup brush holder, but it was really big and took up a lot of space because I like to travel light. And these look perfect. So let's open this up, and you get 2. So you get 2. They are silicone. This is exactly, I have looked for years for the perfect thing to carry my brushes in, and oh my gosh, it even has kind of like a, it's not magnetic, but it kind of has that, it feels like it is. So it has a really nice closure. You open it up and you put your makeup brushes in there. So I could do my eye makeup brushes and like the smaller ones, or just use one of these. But like I said, you get 2 of them. See if they're the same. Maybe this is for bigger brushes. Yeah, This one's bigger. So this would be for like my contouring brushes, blush brushes. I could even put my beauty blender in there. Wow, and it's very, very secure. See, it doesn't fly open. Oh my gosh, I love these. All right, so I finally found the perfect makeup brush holders for traveling. So I could use both or one, but you can just wash them out and they won't get nasty looking. You just don't know how long I've looked for something like this, and I came across this and I thought, bam, that's it. That's what I've been looking for. So these will be linked below. All right. Okay, so the next item I got is this Nipple Skin. Now you guys know, if you've been watching me for a long time, I am not a lover of the bra, okay? I mean, I'm no Jane Fonda, but I don't love bras. I don't love back fat, any of that stuff. But I wanted to try the ultimate nipple cover for the smoothest coverage possible. I don't want my nipples showing, but I don't really need a bra. So I thought I'd try this. It's something new. And I'm excited. We'll see. Original, one pair. Okay, so there's one pair in there. It says it blends seamlessly, no ridges or bumps, and it's signature silicone, invisible and comfortable, and you can wear it over and over again. So it's undetectable and it blends with your own skin. So we'll see, you guys. I'll come back and let you know how my new Nipple Skin does. But you guys, summer's coming up and I love to wear like halters and things like that. Wow. Okay, so here we go. So it's in this box. Open it up. Nipples Skin. That's kind of a weird name, I think, but anyway. And it tells you how to do it. It gives you the instructions. And here they are. They look like tiny little implants. Tiny little itty bitty implants. So they're in here. Okay, so this is what they look like. So you just kind of put them right there. And voila, voila. No back fat, no bra. I just think it'd be really nice to have for the summer. Looks like a good skin tone. Pretty close to my skin tone. Not that anybody's going to be seeing them, but I'm going to try them and I'll let you guys know how they work out for me. So I'm super excited to try it. And they even come with this nice little box to store them in with the instructions. All right, the next item. Now, I almost got a big one, but I decided to get this one because it had great reviews. I've been needing a handheld garment steamer. I have one years ago. Some of you may know this. I used to have a boutique, a clothing store, and we would have to steam dresses and clothing. And we had like formal wear as well, and a little boutique in the front. But I have this big steamer and it's about to go out on me. I've had it for probably 15 years. So I just wanted to get something that would be really simple to steam clothing with, because I'm not much of an ironer unless I have to. But this had great reviews. So yeah, I got this, and handheld garment steamer. And so we'll see how this works out. So I'm excited about this. See, I don't always just buy handbags, you guys. All right, I have one more item. I'm super stoked. I already tried them on. A pair of shoes. I've been purging my closet, getting rid of some shoes, adding new things, getting rid of things and adding new things. That's what I've been doing. So, you guys, here's the way they were packaged up. Like that. Oop. There's some, it's all written in Chinese. I do not read Chinese. Heel lining series. So there's some kind of a heel liner there. I don't know what that's for. Bunions? I don't know what it is. Anyway, okay, so here they are. You guys. Bam. Bam. Look. Oh my gosh. What does this remind you of? Oh my gosh. Let me get them both out. I ordered a size 8. My true size is 7.5 to 8, but I thought, when in doubt, just go a little bigger. And I love them. There's no buckle. That's what I like about it. No buckle. You see that? All the way around. And no, wait a minute, you guys. I lied. 7.5. I must have read the reviews. But anyway, these fit. These fit. And they're so classic. And I think they were close to $50. You guys, I would way rather have these. Honestly. And I am a snob when it comes to handbags. But these shoes, and I do love luxury shoes. And if you're interested in seeing my luxury and contemporary shoe collection, let me know. So I've been thinking about doing that. But you guys, I would way rather have these. I don't even know how much the Chanel version is, but these are called Miss or Myra Azaria. I can't say it. But anyway, look how pretty. So now that I've ordered these, I think I'm going to go back and get the flat ones, just to have some little flats. I love flats. But I love these, you guys. So I will wear these with pants, skirts, shorts, just about anything. And they're that classic Chanel design, you guys. So these will be listed below, and they had just fantastic reviews. And I'm excited to share them with you guys because I have always loved those Chanel shoes. And I've never had any Chanel shoes, but honestly, you guys, and I love a block heel, a perfect height, not too high, but high enough to kind of dress up your outfit. Pretty little black dress, a beige dress, anything. I mean, you could wear these with anything. I'll wear them with shorts, as I just said. So I'm super excited to share those with you. So I feel like I got a pretty good little fun haul here, and nothing too extravagant, but just some fun summertime finds. I will put some more items in my description code that I've been looking at, like fun earrings. Now these, I've had these forever, and these are Kendra Scott. These are the silver, and I also have the gold ones. They're among some of my favorites. I got rid of a lot of my Kendra Scott stuff, but I kept these and I kept the gold ones because I just think they're really funky. And I'm just going to share with you guys in the description box a lot of fun things that I have found that I think I would really enjoy this spring and summer. And I can't wait to sport my new nipples. Why am I so immature? I don't know. But this is exciting. This is exciting. So anyway, I love to find goodies and I love to share them with you guys. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. Somebody out there needs this brand new, only used once or twice Coach heart bag. They're on the Coach website for $350. I asked $250 for it. You guys, I'm going to go down to $225 shipped. Now, if you want this bag, grab it. It's so good, so nice. I love it, you guys. And I would probably say in the future, I'll probably buy another heart bag. I don't use it a lot, but Cammie uses hers all the time. So I'm giving you guys a super good deal, like $175 off, plus no shipping, no tax or anything. $225 for this beautiful heart bag and the soft, soft leather. So just let me know. Somebody buy it. It's beautiful, you guys. It really is. And it's in immaculate condition. Not a blemish on this beautiful, beautiful bag. Thank you all so much. I love you guys. And I'll be back in a few days with an epic unboxing. I do mean epic. Peace.